Hello everyone, I am Sonia Sharma, Faculty Commerce at the Venkateshwar School, Gurgaon. In this video, I am going to explain you about law of diminishing marginal utility. What does this law states? It says that whenever we consume units continuously at that time, the utility that we are getting, it keeps on diminishing at every successive level, and there are certain reasons for that, and those are the assumptions that we can call, and those assumptions are that use of that product should be continuous, and the units that we are consuming, that should be the same every time. There should be no change in the quality of the product that we are consuming, and that utility of the money that we are spending on those products, that should be constant, and the income that the consumer is earning, that should be fixed. Price of that particular product, that should also be fixed. Now suppose that price changes. Now suppose we are buying something that we already have bought. Suppose you are going to buy some chocolates for you. So okay, uh, when you left your home, you had 50 rupees with you, and in your mind you will be thinking that the cost for that product is rupees 10. So in those 50 rupees you will be able to buy 5 chocolates, and you want 5 only, that's why you kept 50 rupees with you. Okay, now after reaching on the shop, you find that this product is now of 5 rupees. So instead of buying 5 units, you will be able to buy 10 units of that product. That will be changing your thinking and the utility for you. You will be now buying 10 instead of buying 5. So there it is assumed that this price should not be changed, because it will increase your utility for the product if price falls, and if price rise, that will decrease your utility for the product. Okay, so it happens with the consumer, because every consumer wants to have more and more benefits from the market, whatever they are going to consume. So here it is assumed that the money which you are going to spend, it should have same utility. Okay, it should not be changed, or the income that you are earning, that should be fixed. The price of the product, that should also be fixed. Only then this law will be applicable. So what was the law? It was saying that when a consumer consumes a particular unit continuously for a particular product, the utility that he gets from that product, it keeps on falling, and there some level comes when it becomes zero, and sometime it also becomes negative. So that was law of diminishing marginal utility, and it is very useful in economics when you study about consumers behavior, when you study about consumers equilibrium in the market, when you study the concept of demand and its elasticity. At that time also this is very useful concept. So everything is dependent upon the consumers. Consumer is the king of the market, so you must understand the things based upon consumers, what is their psychology. So that was the reason that I am explaining here in a particular clip about this law. So I hope that this law is very clear to you. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day, students.